Progressive muscle relaxation, PMR, is an effective technique that can significantly enhance mindfulness and meditation practices. Developed by Dr. Edmund Jacobson in the early 20th century, PMR involves systematically tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups in the body. This method not only promotes physical relaxation, but also fosters mental clarity and a heightened state of mindfulness. Benefits of progressive muscle relaxation. 1. Enhanced mindfulness. By focusing on the sensations of tension and relaxation, PMR helps anchor your awareness in the present moment. This sharpens your ability to notice subtle changes in your body and mind, cultivating a deeper sense of mindfulness. 2. Reduced stress and anxiety. The practice of tensing and then releasing muscle tension can significantly lower stress levels. PMR reduces the physiological symptoms of anxiety, promoting a calmer and more relaxed state of mind. 3. Improved sleep quality. PMR can prepare the body for sleep by easing tension and promoting a sense of calm. Regular practice before bedtime can lead to more restful and uninterrupted sleep. 4. Emotional regulation. Regular practice can help improve emotional resilience, allowing individuals to better manage their responses to stresses and negative emotions. Easy progressive muscle relaxation exercises. 1. Full body scan. Lie down in a comfortable position. Starting from your toes, tense each muscle group for 5 to 7 seconds, then slowly release the tension, noticing the difference between the two states. Work your way up to your head, ensuring you cover all major muscle groups. 2. Quick tension. Release. During a busy day, take a few minutes to tense and relax your shoulders and neck. Sit comfortably, inhale deeply, tense your shoulders up to your ears for 5 seconds, then exhale and release. 3. Hand and forearm. Relaxation. Sit quietly and place your hands on your lap. Tense your hands into fists, hold for 5 seconds, then release and spread your fingers wide, feeling the relaxation spread through your hands and forearms. 4. Facial relaxation. Sit or lie down comfortably. Scrunch your facial muscles by squeezing your eyes shut, wrinkling your nose, and clenching your jaw for 5 seconds. Then, release and feel the relaxation wash over your face. 5. Leg relaxation. While seated or lying down, tense the muscles in your feet and calves by pointing your toes and tightening the muscles. Hold for 5 seconds, then release and feel the relaxation. Incorporating these simple PMR exercises into your daily routine can greatly enhance your mindfulness and meditation practice. By regularly practicing PMR, you can cultivate a more relaxed, mindful, and balanced approach to life. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.